Bore da dosbarth conwy a fadre. I hope you're all okay and that you're all keeping well and safe at home with your lovely families. So this week is a really exciting week. So number one, it's your last week before it's half term, where you have a whole week off of doing no home learning, and you really truly deserve it. Everyone is doing so well. You really deserve this lovely break that you're going to have next week. The second exciting news is this week we're going to be discussing Chinese New Year. Well, this is one of my favourite holidays to be able to celebrate because it's full of colour, they've got amazing traditions and real food. I love Chinese food, it's one of my favourites. Lots of dancing, lots of celebrating, and it is so nice and happy, and it just makes you feel so lovely inside. So as you can see on your timetable, I have put a few links in there to different videos for you to learn a little bit more about Chinese New Year. I've put a link into where you can learn about Abby, where she's going to tell you all about the Chinese New Year, of how her and her family prepare and celebrate Chinese New Year. I've done one for a dragon dance on there. There's also an episode of Peppa Pig, which I put a link there for you to see, where Peppa Pig and all her friends are getting ready for Chinese New Year. So lots of ways for you to learn all about Chinese New Year, and I put lots of different activities up there for you as well. So lots of things to keep you nice and busy. But what I'm going to talk to you about today is one of the gifts that is given between the families and friends, which are called red envelopes. So I have explained this a little bit in your timetable, but I thought that this was a good idea for me to be able to show you these red envelopes. And then that leads us really nicely into a little introduction about money. So before we start that, let me show you. So these are what's called the money envelopes that they give to each other. And so I'll bring that a little bit closer there for you to see. So as you can see, they're red, they're nicely decorated. This one has a lovely gold design on it, which is beautiful. And they would be closed like that, and then they'd open them, and inside these envelopes they would find money. So you'd put money in there because it's a form of good luck. So it's good luck money. So you can spend the money. They can spend the money on whatever they want, but that is their present, and they do come in these lovely envelopes. So they're not always red. They can come in lots of different colours, but red for Chinese New Year is a colour of good luck. So that is why mainly you'll see a lot of red when you're looking at all the different videos that I've sent you. So from the different lions, the different gorgeous outfits that they're using, the dragons in the dragon dance, and the beautiful lanterns as well. And I've given you a challenge there, haven't I, where I've asked you to make your own lantern at home. So these are what's called, like I said, the money envelopes. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move on nicely to give you a little introduction into money. Right then everyone, like I said, I'm going to give you a little introduction into money today, and we're going to start off with learning 5 new money pieces. So we're going to start from over here. So we're going to start from over here, where we're going to start first off with the 1 pence piece. Now, so this here is 1 penny. It is worth 1. So can you say 1 penny? 1 penny. So as you can see on the penny, it does say 1 penny, and the number 1 is at the bottom. So it's more of a bronzy colour, but is the money piece going to be this size? Is it going to be this big? No, of course it's not. This is just for you to see it a little bit closer. That's why I've done them a bit bigger. So this is what 1 pennies look like. So they're only little. They're really teeny tiny. Let me bring one a little bit closer for you to see. So this is how small they are, and that is 1 penny. Okay, right then, we're going to move on now to 2 pence. So this is 2 pence. So in size wise, it's bigger. So it's bigger than the 1 pence. And as you can see, the number 2's at the bottom, and you can see the writing as well on the top, 2 pence. But are they this big? No, of course they're not. So let's get some of the 2 pennies out. So this here is a 2 pence. So as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the 1 pence. Let me get a 1 pence as well so that you can see the size difference. So the 2 pence is bigger than the 1 pence, isn't it? It's bigger in size. Right, then let's leave those there. So there isn't a 3 pence or a 4 pence. We jump straight away now to a 5 pence. And now this looks different in many different ways because it's a different colour. What colour is this now? I know this looks a little bit grey, doesn't it? But they're not grey. It's silver. So these are silver pennies. So let me get one to show you a little bit closer. So as you can see, these are very, very small in size. What shape is this? What shape is the 5 pence piece? It's a circle. Well done, a circle. Is the 1 and a 2 pence a circle as well? Yes, well done. So you can't really see the writing on here very much, can you? Because it's a little bit blurry. So that's why I've used these ones that I've laminated for you. So as you can see, it does say 5 pence on there, and there's the number 5 there as well. So now we're going to move on to 10 pence. 10 pence. So as you can see, the 10 pence is bigger than the 5 pence. And let's get some 10 pennies out here for you. Oh, 2 pences. Just one in there. Right then, so this is a 10 pence piece. Do you think the 10 pence piece is going to be bigger or smaller than the 5 pence piece? Let's see and see if you're right. Oh, well done if you said that the 10 pence is bigger than the 5 pence. So they're both the same colour, they're both silver, but the 10 pence is bigger than the 5 pence. And then I'm going to introduce one more to you as well. We will only mainly be working with 1, 2, 5 and 10, but I thought that I'd introduce this one to you just because it looks a little bit different. So this here is a 20 pence piece. So is this one circle? No, it's got different sides. Now let's get some 20 pences out here. So as you can see, it's got sides, so it's not a complete circle, is it? Let's count how many sides the 20 pence has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's got 7 sides. And as you can see, this is a 20 pence. And it's got the 20 in there as well at the bottom. You can't see it very clearly, so we'll focus on this one. You've got the 2 and the 0, and it says 20 pence on here. Here we have all 5 pennies that we're going to be using over the next few weeks. And we'll be, like I said, mainly when we'll be adding money together, we'll be using 1, 2, 5s and 10s, because the 20s then can get a little bit more harder. But these are the money pieces that we're going to be using. Great everyone, da iawn chi today, amazing work. So we have learned something new today. We have learned the names of 5 new money pieces. So let's go over them a little bit one more time, please. So what was this one, please? 1 pence. Can you say it with me? 1 pence. So it can be 1 pence or 1 penny. It's up to you. You can call it whatever you want. But for today, I'm going to say 1 pence. If we were using Numicon, we would use the number 1. So this Numicon piece to represent the 1 pence because it's worth one whole. Okay? So 1 whole in the Numicon. Right then, moving on. What was this, please? 2 pence, 2 pennies. Can you say it with me? 2 pence. Da iawn chi. What colour Numicon would be representing 2, please, if it was 2 pence? Well done. It'd be this one. We call it like a lilac in class, don't we? Because it's a little bit of a tricky colour, but you can call it purple or blue. It's up to you. So see, it's got 1, 2. So 2 whole, so 2 pence. That is what we would be using. This is the Numicon we'd be using to represent 2 pence. Moving on to our silver penny. Our, what is it? 5 pence. Our 5 pence. Well done. Who can remember what colour Numicon would we represent with 5 pence, please? What colour Numicon would we use? The red Numicon, because it's got 5 holes. This represents the number 5. So let's count the holes together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So if we were using Numicon to help us with money, this is the one we would use to help us with the number 5. So 5 pence, our silver penny. Well done, da iawn chi. Our next one, which is the bigger than 5, the bigger, because it's bigger than our 5, isn't it? 10 pence. Can you say 10 pence? 10 pence. Well done. What colour Numicon or what number Numicon would I need to use to help me with 10 pence, please? The number 10 Numicon. Well done. And that's our dark blue Numicon. So let's just double check that this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we needed a Numicon to help us with 10 pence, we would use this one. Right, so we have matched our Numicon to the pennies that we're going to be mainly using, which are the 1 pence, 2 pence, 5 pence and 10 pence. So on your timetable, I have put lots of little different activities associated with introducing your money to you. So there's some coin rubbings on there, there's lots of different little activities for you to have a go at. I would really like you, if you have at home been shown real money pieces, because obviously I've been showing you these really big ones, and it'd be nice for you to see real money pieces. So maybe if you're playing shop at home, you can use real money. Don't worry about the worth now. We'll be focusing a lot more on that after half term. So next week is half term and you have got a free week of doing no work, which you really, really deserve. You've been working so hard and I am so, so proud of you. And over half term, it's one of the most exciting holidays in my opinion. It's Shrove Tuesday, which is Pancake Day. I love pancakes, so I can't wait after half term to talk to you about what you had on your pancakes. I can't wait to hear all about it. Have a lovely week off, have a lovely well-deserved rest. I hope you have a lovely time and I can't wait to hear all about your lovely break when we come back after half term. I miss you lots and I will see you very soon. Bye!